Are you trying to change the subject?
No, I'm not. I'm just giving you examples.
So are you trying to change the subject so blatantly?
Because you make this allegation against the Samajwadi Party. Arnab, please. Arnab, allow me to. This allegation is made against the SP government that we are withdrawing cases. So I'm just placing some facts.
Gaurav,
That, a person who was probably arrested from some other place, and when this fact came to the knowledge of the state government, it was the duty of the state government to
this is
ensure
sounding
that the
very
withdrawal
fake.
takes place.
This is sounding allow me.
Yeah,
Gaurav,
to you it might be, but
Gaurav, not that it might be.
Honest,
not when it might be, because when your state government,
I would be honest, okay.
No, when your state government is virtually complicit in allowing riots to happen in Muzaffarnagar and not act on time, and when rivers of blood flow in your state and communal riot after communal riot, the state keeps quiet. No, one second. The state government gets nothing more. Now you are shouting me down. The state government gets nothing more than a rap on the knuckles from the central government.
I was listening to your entire debate.
The state government.
I wanted to just place two examples where material came before the state government and a person was being prosecuted without sufficient data.
I think you're moving away. I think you're moving away. Mehboob Beg wants to come in. I go across to Mehboob Beg. The question tonight is this: that Sushil Kumar Shinde and the Ministry of Home Affairs have been playing the minority card.
I was giving you.
Gaurav, 1 minute.
There was a youth who was arrested from Azamgarh, but shown to be arrested from Barabanki.
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia.
And the due process of law was not followed. When these facts came to our knowledge, the state government acted to withdraw the case.
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, in September, for the first time, the government released data of riot victims identifying religion. In May, the centre set up special courts to take up cases registered by the... 1 minute. In March,
Actually,
the Home Minister... You don't want to listen, Gaurav. You don't want to listen to the uncomfortable truth.
When did the... No, I'm just counter asking you. I'm asking you a question. When did the state government release any data on the lines of religion?
Please, that's why you don't hear. For the first time, the Home Ministry identified the religion of victims in communal violence.
And I'll stand corrected if I'm
No, for the first time, I'm telling you, the state government, you stand corrected. But that's what I'm telling you. You are not listening. There is a pattern now to this central government and this Home Minister. It identified the victims of communal violence on the basis of religion. And Shinde's comments on saffron terror are known.
The central government, not the state government.
And the same Home Minister...
Parliament people were identified by religion.
The same Home Minister said...
so accuse the central government.
Did the Home Minister...
Accuse the central government.
Gaurav, did the Home Minister say anything when the Minority Affairs Minister said that he doesn't even think the Indian Mujahideen exists? You not expect a decent, Home Minister to step in and say this is rubbish? What kind of language is the Minority Affairs Minister using? Why were you silent then? Why didn't you speak then? Because you are supporting them? Because they are supporting you in Lucknow? You are silent when a cabinet minister says, I don't know if the Indian Mujahideen exists?
The Congress spokesperson will answer that. I can only speak for my party and for the government.
That's passing the buck.
I can't speak for the Congress. I started by saying that the Congress is playing in the hands of a few people. They want to appease a particular community without even genuinely being concerned for
You are in business together.
That is how I started the debate.
You are in business together.
Arnav.
Please, Arnav, don't make such wild allegations.
What's allegation? You are in political business together. Where's the allegation? It's a cold fact. Arnav. What empirical evidence? You are in business together in Delhi and in Lucknow.
No, I am criticizing the statement of the Home Minister, and I'm saying the right to equality is of every citizen.
If you
Withdrawal of cases should happen in each and every case.
Then why don't you ask for Shinde's resignation? Ask for Shinde's. Are you asking for Shinde's resignation?
Arnav, can I come in?
Are you asking for Shinde's resignation?
Arnav,
is Mehboob Beg asking for Shinde's resignation?
Let a party decide what they have to do politically.
No, so these are two parties that are supporting the NDA. No, is Mehboob Beg asking for Shinde's resignation? No.
No, why? How can it be decided by you?
No, I'm asking you, if you're true to your conviction, why don't you and Mehboob Beg ask for Shinde's resignation? Mehboob Beg, will you?
Can Times Now decide
Times Now can ask you a question, no? Times Now can ask you a question, Mehboob Beg.
I think directive to the state should have been very specific and not a generalized thing. It should have been very specific. These are the 10 cases, these are the 20 cases pertaining to a definite state, and please correct them. please address these issues.
Yeah.
Making a generalized thing
Well,
will
I
not
think-
solve the problem.
No, but you know what?
This is a problem,
You know-
and the best way to address
you know
it-
what? Rahul Gandhi came out and said that the ordinance was rubbish. He said it should be torn down. Now, people would want to know whether Rahul Gandhi thinks that this is also rubbish.
Now,
No, 1 second. Whether this is also rubbish. That Rahul Gandhi should come out and tell us whether this is rubbish, because the government fought for the ordinance and then it had to do a U-turn after Rahul Gandhi spoke. So the question goes to Rahul Gandhi tonight. Does he think that dividing the country on the basis of religion is inappropriate or not for a Home
Arnav,
Minister
can
to
I
do?
come in, please?
Ami Agnik. Ami
Arnav,
Agnik.
Can I come in?
Arnab, can I come in for a
Arnab.
minute?
Ami Agnik.
Yes. Arnav, this is a letter just asking the state governments to see that they do not target or harass a particular community youths, and that is because there is
Smriti.
data and representation to the central government that such youths are being targeted. Let us not become state specific. There is ample evidence that there is a particular state where this is being done.
You are playing it
and
down
we
now
don't
like you
want
were trying
the
to play down the
communal data.
ordinance.
There is enough. There is. Oh, no, there is. And so the state government can very well answer to that
Sir,
letter.
he's the Home Minister
that, well,
of
we
India.
are not doing that, but we'll be cautious.
He's the
That
Home
we'll be
Minister of
cautious.
India.
But no, don't
He's the
give
Home
it a
Minister of
communal
India.
color. No. That
He has
cannot
a
be the
response.
issue.
He's the Home Minister of India. He's not the Home Minister of any particular community. 1 second. Let's be
Arnab.
very clear tonight. Aslam Ghani wants to come in after that. Smriti Irani.
he
Aslam
is the
Ghani.
minister of the country. Yes,
He is the Home Minister
He is
of the
Minister
entire
of the
country, of
country.
all
He has
Indians, of all
received the
religions, castes and
representations,
communities.
And that is why this letter.
Where he cannot identify on the basis of one religion.
This is a letter.
He have a political compulsion. Keep your politics aside. Fight your
If
election. Don't
everyone
compromise
speaks
the
at the
country.
same time-
Aslam Ghani.
Actually, you see, the unfortunate thing is English is not our language. And I think these phrases being used, whether you are referring to Rahul Gandhi or you are referring to the Home Minister, I would have appreciated, see, looking in the position in the Kashmir, the way it is going, the way the youth are being targeted illegally, I would have appreciated if the Home Minister would have made a reference to the youth of Kashmir. He would have said,
please,
five boys killed in Shupian, 22 days Shupian is closed, and no media speaks about it. I would have appreciated. You cannot say it on the basis of the community. You can't say on communal basis.
Yeah, but so you can't do on the basis of governments don't work on the basis of perceptions, and the country wants to know whether Rahul Gandhi does Rahul Gandhi also believe Shinde is right. Rahul Gandhi will have to tell us what is Rahul Gandhi's view on this. Rahul Gandhi could contradict. If Rahul Gandhi could contradict, if Rahul Gandhi could come out and contradict the ordinance, then Rahul Gandhi contradict the Home Minister. This is a test case tonight. Smriti Irani, last word to you. Last word to Smriti Irani.
What Rahul Gandhi has said, that's a very correct thing, but he could have given it in a...
I'm saying, why can't Rahul Gandhi speak on this? If Rahul Gandhi believes... Does Rahul Gandhi believe that...
Opposed the ordinance.
Does Rahul
Gandhi could have said that we have given a second thought to it. The public opinion is that it is not going to be in the interest of public. So I request the government to withdraw it.
Aslam Ghani, Constitution of India, 1949, equality before law, Article 14. Does Rahul Gandhi believe that Sushil Kumar Shinde's comment is ultra virus of the Constitution of India, which guarantees all citizens equality before the law?
I don't agree with this.
Smriti Irani has the last word tonight. Where is this going to go? Is this a one-day debate? Is this a one-day debate and we move on? Smriti?
I think that this political stunt was indulged in only so that the debate topic can be shifted and the headline can be changed. I never knew that in my life I would ever hear a panelist say that maybe Rahul Gandhi does not understand English that well. And I'm sure, Arnab, just like you and me, a lot of people in our country are waiting with bated breath to see whether Mr. Gandhi will come out, look at Mr. Shinde in the eye and say absolute nonsense. But what also needs to be answered tonight, which none of the Congress allies have answered on your show, is this: that we have a Home Minister in our country who believes that Indians are not equal under the law. We have a Home Minister in the country who believes that the state should discriminate on the basis of religion, specifically when it comes to the criminal code.
That is not the point.
Sir, allow me to speak my own line. Sir, I am aware of the fact that the Home Minister wants to squash
when your PM candidate himself is a divisive figure.
Article 15, but permit me
Do not bring
Sir,
Article
I
14 in the
completely
picture.
understand that the Home
Do not bring
Minister-
that. It is a legal language.
I completely...
Your PM candidate himself is a divisive
Miss
figure.
Yagnik,
I'm sorry. I
Miss
don't agree with
Yagnik,
this.
Miss
I'm sorry, I don't
Yagnik,
agree with this.
No,
while
yes, you
Mr.
cannot
Shinde
speak
tries
law
to
here.
overthrow every fundamental right of equality
On this debate
under
tonight,
the
I'm
law,
closing with.
what
He has just written a letter.
I think this
No,
debate
he
is
has
important
just
enough for
written
the
a letter.
country's top political leaders to come forth, whether it is Mr. Rahul Gandhi.
Unfortunate.
Let there be a debate.
Parties of the Indian society.
Let there
are
be a
only
debate.
indulging in criminal
Let there be a debate on whether the Home Minister of India has said something that violates Article 14. That is our right under the Constitution to debate that, and nobody, including Mr. Shinde, can take that away from us. We debate that. Will Rahul Gandhi speak on
you
it?
are
Watch the space.
forgetting- you are
Fill in the
forgetting
blanks.
India,
Follow the
India.
debate. Back in a couple of minutes with debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight.